Hello, hello. This is Gabriela with another Money Robot video. Let's talk about a spread submission or submission spread. I don't remember. Let me open it first, okay? In here, when you open a new campaign, spread submission over. This is one of the common questions people asking us about how many days they supposed to put here. Let me tell you, I always leave it at zero. Why? Because I leave Money Robot do everything automatically himself. I don't do anything else. I'm a lazy one. Okay, why I do it like that? Because everything take the their own pace about okay you are creating, and maybe you what you can do is instead of put some date on here, go ahead and use those threads no more than 12 means are gonna go a little slow, give you like maybe in 3 or 4 days it's gonna take to over a campaign, especially if you are creating new accounts. Then after that, remember everything in the back end is gonna be sent to the Money Robot indexer, but only a percent per day. Doesn't go everything together. in if you are like working with some URLs, can take you like from 7 to 15 days to start seeing any URL. Okay, those backlinks you create. Um, doesn't gonna be okay. Doing today 2,500, and in 7 days I'm gonna see those 2,500. That doesn't work like that. It's gonna be showing up a few over here, few over there, um, and that's the way to work with. Okay, some people definitely put it like, okay, I doesn't want it. I want to create this in 30 days. It's fine. It's no problem. But I remember it's gonna take those 30 days to be done. Then some days to be indexed, sent to the indexer, and then some days to, it's gonna take you maybe 3 months. Just an example. If you leave it like that, it's gonna take you like a month. If you don't want to make too many backlinks because you don't want to, you know, it's depend of your type of website, and also depend of your type of niche. Okay, you don't want too many. I just create like a couple campaigns and use like 5 trades on here, and it's gonna take time. And in 1 month, it's gonna be like 800, something like that. Okay, that's the way I prefer to handle the time than in here. But that's exactly what I mean. You can spread your campaign through until through days, and in here it's gonna be depend of how fast you use it. Can be for 1 day per onto 1 week. Okay, I hope this help you. If you have any questions, please leave your comment on the comment area, and see you in the next one. Bye.